Crash Course: Colombia, Beaches, Coffee Regions, and Colonial Architecture. Introduction. Colombia, a vibrant and diverse country in South America, is known for its stunning beaches, lush coffee regions, and captivating colonial architecture. From the bustling cities to the tranquil countryside, Colombia offers a rich tapestry of cultural experiences and natural beauty. In this crash course, we will delve into the enticing stories, examples, and top 12 attractions that make Colombia a must-visit destination. 1. Cartagena's Old Town. Cartagena's Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a living testament to Colombia's colonial past. Its cobbled streets, colorful buildings, and historic plazas invite visitors to step back in time and immerse themselves in the city's vibrant history. 2. Tayrona National Natural Park. Located along the Caribbean coast, Tayrona National Natural Park is a tropical paradise encompassing lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and crystal-clear waters. It offers a unique blend of nature and indigenous heritage, with ancient ruins scattered throughout the park. 3. The Coffee Cultural Landscape. Colombia's coffee cultural landscape, also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its coffee production and breathtaking landscapes. Visitors can explore coffee plantations, learn about the coffee-making process, and savor the rich flavors of Colombian coffee. 4. Medellin's transformation. Medellin, once infamous for its drug-related violence, has undergone a remarkable transformation and now stands as a vibrant and innovative city. Its modern architecture, thriving art scene, and efficient public transportation system are a testament to the city's progress. 5. The Lost City, Ciudad Perdida. The Lost City, nestled in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta Mountains, is an ancient archaeological site that predates Machu Picchu. Trekking to this hidden gem rewards adventurers with awe-inspiring views and a glimpse into Colombia's indigenous past. 6. Bogota's Historic Center. Bogotá, Colombia's capital, is a bustling metropolis with a historic center that reflects its colonial heritage. The Candelaria neighborhood is adorned with beautiful colonial architecture, museums, art galleries, and vibrant street art. 7. San Andrés and Providencia Islands. The Caribbean islands of San Andrés and Providencia are known for their pristine white sand beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant marine life. These islands offer an idyllic getaway for snorkeling, diving, and relaxation. 8. Villa de Leyva. Villa de Leyva is a charming colonial town frozen in time. Its well-preserved architecture, cobblestone streets, and central plaza, one of the largest in South America, make it a favorite among visitors seeking a glimpse into Colombia's past. 9. The Salt Cathedral of Zipaquirá. Located just outside Bogotá, the Salt Cathedral of Zipaquirá is an underground masterpiece carved into a salt mine. This remarkable feat of engineering and spirituality offers a unique and awe-inspiring experience. 10. Guatapé and the Peñol Rock. Guatapé is a picturesque town famous for its colorful streets and the massive Peñol Rock. Climbing the 740 steps to the top of the rock rewards visitors with breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding lakes and hills. 11. Amazon Rainforest. Colombia is home to a significant portion of the Amazon rainforest, offering visitors a chance to immerse themselves in one of the world's most biodiverse ecosystems. Explore the lush jungles, encounter wildlife, and learn from indigenous communities. 12. Los Nevados National Natural Park. Los Nevados National Natural Park is a stunning mountainous region in the Andes known for its snow-capped peaks, Paramo ecosystems, and unique flora and fauna. Hiking through this rugged terrain provides unparalleled vistas and a sense of adventure. Summarization. Colombia, with its captivating blend of beaches, coffee regions, and colonial architecture, offers a diverse range of experiences for travelers. From the enchanting streets of Cartagena's Old Town to the pristine beauty of Tayrona National Natural Park and the cultural richness of Medellin, Colombia is a country that both enthralls and inspires. Whether you're seeking relaxation on Caribbean beaches, immersing yourself in coffee culture, or exploring ancient archaeological sites, Colombia promises to deliver unforgettable moments. Poem. Colombia, land of vibrant delight. Where beaches glisten, coffee takes flight. Colonial charm adorns the street. A tapestry of stories, old and sweet. From Cartagena's walls, tales unfold. Of pirates, treasures, and stories untold. Tayrona's jungles, a lush embrace. Where nature's beauty finds its place. In Medellin's heart, a city reborn. Progress and art, where hope is sworn. Lost city secrets, hidden in the mist. A journey to the past, where time persists. Bogota's streets, a colonial maze. Street art whispers, in vibrant displays. San Andres and Providencia's shores. Caribbean dreams, where peace restores. Via de Leyva, frozen in time. A colonial gem, where memories chime. Zipaquira's cathedral, carved in salt. A spiritual haven, where hearts exalt. Guadape's colors, a painter's delight. Peñol Rock's summit, a breathtaking sight. Amazon's rainforest, a wild domain. Where life dances, in nature's reign. Los Nevados, mountains so grand. A snowy paradise, in Colombia's hand. From coast to mountains, a journey complete. Colombia's treasures, forever a treat. Song. Verse 1. In Colombia's embrace, the beaches unfold. Where golden sands and turquoise waters behold. The aroma of coffee, rich and divine. In the lush regions, the beans entwine. Chorus. From Cartagena's charm to Tayrona's grace. Colombia's allure, a captivating embrace. Colonial architecture, stories untold. In every corner, history unfolds. Verse 2. Medellin's transformation, a city reborn. Where art and progress seamlessly adorn. The lost city whispers, in mountains high. An ancient tale against the sky. Bridge. Bogota's rhythm, a vibrant beat. The heart of a nation, cultural retreat. San Andres and Providencia, paradise found. Caribbean dreams, where joy resounds. Chorus. From Via de Leyva's timeless streets. To Zipaquira's cathedral, where faith meets. Guadape's colors, a painter's delight. And Los Nevados peaks, a majestic height. Aldro. Colombia's treasures, a symphony of sights. Where nature's beauty takes wondrous flights. Explore this land, where wonders reside. A journey of discovery, a heartfelt stride. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.